Well, hello everybody. This is going to be a first for me. I am actually doing a room review after first walking into it, rather than actually staying here for a couple nights first. So this is going to be just about as fresh for me as it is for you. As you can see, I'm staying at the Sheraton Imperial Hotel in Durham, North Carolina, here for a conference this weekend. And let's go ahead and turn around and have a look at the room, which you will notice is a little dark. It took me a while. There's no light switches, except for one on the wall here to my left that just does the hallway light. Everything else is just a little push button. I had to walk around the room and find out where all the lights were first. But turning to my right, bathroom with a nice lit mirror, just a single bowl sink, bathtub and shower. Turning back around, we've got the closet, which opens up to, hey, a closet. Never would have guessed that. No, but standard fare, ironing board and iron. There is a safe in this hotel, so if you need to keep your valuables somewhere, they will be nice and safe. Sorry, no pun intended. Let's go ahead and turn back around. So this time I'm actually going to be staying with a roommate this weekend, and so we got two, I guess, double beds. They look pretty comfortable. So these will be the beds, lamp in the middle, and I think I noticed earlier that, yeah, there's extra outlets and USB charging. Little substation box there on the counter, which is convenient, along with your phone and alarm clock. Okay, turning up the room a little bit, there are two chairs, which, are they recliners, or is that just storage under there? A little bit of a footstool, I guess. Another lamp. I'm only on the second floor, and honestly, facing the back parking lot, really not much to write home about here, but, hey, if there's a fire, I can jump to safety without being on a without being on an upper floor. Let's see here. There is a desk with some complimentary bottled water for Marriott Envoy. Envoy, is that what it's called? Bonvoy members, which I think I am one, but I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you. So I'll just leave the water there. There's water in the sink. Coming over, restaurant menu, overpriced as most hotel menus are. There is some coffee for the morning, which I will most certainly be needing. Let's see here. Television with, I guess, 3 drawers below it for storing clothing and whatnot. And really, that's about it. I mean, first impression, everything is clean. The beds look comfortable. Like I said, it's weirdly dark in here. I guess I don't know if it's no overhead lighting, or it's been raining outside, so it's dark outside, or just the lamps, and maybe kind of the brown theme in the room as well. It looks a little dark, but honestly, I'm only going to be here for sleeping, so it doesn't really make that big a difference to me. So on that note, I will leave it to you. If you happen to be in the Durham area, and this is a big convention hotel, so if you happen to stay here, this is what room 219 looks like. So have a good one, and we'll see you next time.